Are you tired of video editing apps that slap watermarks on your creations or interrupt your workflow with constant ads? Today, we're showcasing the top 5 free mobile video editing apps. First up is VN Video Editor. This app offers a multi-track timeline, allowing for intricate editing with ease. It's perfect for both beginners and seasoned editors. Next, we have CapCut, developed by the creators of TikTok. It's a favorite among content creators for its versatility and absence of watermarks. VLLO is another excellent choice, especially for vloggers. Users appreciate its ad-free experience and that it doesn't impose watermarks on exported videos. UCut is a user-friendly app that provides essential editing tools like trimming, merging, and adding music. It supports high-quality exports up to 4K. Lastly, Action Director offers powerful editing features, including slow-motion effects, voiceovers, and color adjustments. It delivers professional results without any watermarks. With these 5 apps, you can elevate your video content without the hassle of watermarks or ads. Which app are you excited to try out?